Business decisions often start with messy files and end in disconnected spreadsheets, forecasts, reports, and approval emails. A normal dashboard can show charts, and a chatbot can generate text, but neither owns the complete governed workflow. InsightHive turns one business objective into verified analysis, forward-looking risk, prioritized action, and a human-approved executive report. InsightHive is created by Harshit Jetwani with Jiya Aalwani. This is the core architecture. A Google ADK root orchestrator receives one business objective and coordinates specialist agents for ingestion, quality, analytics, insight generation, reporting, and governance. Agents are central here. The app is not just showing charts, the orchestrator decides which tools and agents should run, and every important result is connected to evidence. This is the InsightHive landing page. A user can sign in securely or launch the judge-ready sample workspace for a reproducible demo. Here I load the North Star Retail demo dataset. I'm using the retail playbook with 6 AI agents running on the full Google ADK runtime. The dataset contains realistic business signals for meaningful analysis. Now we move to the agent control room, the central orchestration hub of InsightHive. I provide a single business objective to analyze performance, identify risks, forecast revenue, and prepare an approval-ready executive report. With one click on Execute Autonomous Mission, the Google ADK orchestrator launches the complete multi-agent workflow. Each specialized agent performs its assigned task, from data validation and quality checks to analytics, forecasting, report generation, and governance verification. Once the mission is complete, the platform presents the execution summary, including the tools used, mission status, and execution time. It also highlights key business metrics, such as records analyzed, data quality, detected anomalies, and the forecast direction. Finally, the decision brief transforms the complete agent workflow into a clear executive summary, helping business users quickly understand the insights, risks, forecasts, and recommended actions without reading technical details. As the final step, InsightHive verifies that every requested business objective has been successfully completed, confirming the dataset analysis, industry-grounded recommendations, revenue forecast, executive report, and approval checks before the mission is finalized. The Forecast tab shows the revenue outlook for the next 12 periods, and the forecast horizon can be adjusted based on business needs. It predicts an increasing trend and reports May and RMSE, helping users understand both the forecast and its expected uncertainty. The Agent Execution tab shows the complete execution path coordinated by the Google ADK orchestrator. Each step records the responsible agent, the tool used, and its completion status, providing full transparency and traceability throughout the workflow. The Technical Evidence tab exposes the raw tool outputs behind every agent action. This gives reviewers complete transparency into how each result was generated, ensuring the workflow is fully auditable rather than a black box AI response. InsightHive also supports cross-session memory, allowing agents to remember user preferences and recall them in a fresh ADK session, enabling persistent context across sessions. The Anomalies tab lets the quality agent scan the dataset for unusual patterns. It automatically identifies suspicious records that may require review before business decisions are made. By surfacing these anomalies early, InsightHive helps improve data quality and supports more reliable recommendations. The ADK Agent Trace records every agent event and tool call during execution. We can review the complete mission, inspect the latest agent activity, and verify memory operations, providing full transparency and end-to-end traceability. Now we move to the Report tab. Here, I provide the report details and generate a business report using the ADK Report agent. Once the report is generated, it is automatically submitted for admin review. At this stage, the download remains locked because the report must pass the approval workflow first. Next, the admin reviews the report from the approval queue and can either approve or reject it. Once the report is approved, the download is unlocked, allowing users to access the final PDF report. This human-in-the-loop approval process adds governance and trust before business decisions are made. This is the final business report generated by InsightHive. It transforms the complete agent analysis into an executive-ready report with key insights, revenue forecasts, actionable recommendations, and supporting business context for informed decision-making. Finally, we move to the Evaluation suite. Here, InsightHive runs predefined evaluation cases to validate the complete ADK workflow. It reports pass rate, accuracy, and latency while verifying routing for data quality, forecasting, reporting, and the approval gate. Runtime proofs and the complete evaluation evidence can also be exported, making the system transparent, testable, and easy to validate. Finally, this is the complete GitHub repository of InsightHive, containing the source code, documentation, setup instructions, and evaluation evidence. The README explains the system architecture. It also highlights why agents are central to InsightHive, where specialized AI agents collaborate under the Google ADK orchestrator to complete the entire business workflow. It further explains why InsightHive is different. Instead of isolated charts or chat responses, a single business objective becomes a complete governed workflow with live MCP grounding, cross-session memory, human approval, and evaluation. The repository also includes screenshots and runtime proofs, making the project easy to reproduce and verify. InsightHive is a complete multi-agent business decision system powered by Google ADK. Thank you.